Tarun. Where are you from?
I'm from Coimbatore. I daily upload posts or articles. Like basically what I have done, what I have done for the past week, past 1 week. So I will basically upload every week wise content.
What type of person you are?
Like myself is an enthusiastic person who always engage with everyone, who always
Discussion. Can you tell something new about yourself?
I'm an athlete and also a dancer. When I run towards myself, it is like something that I always wanted me to do. Running is my ambition, but for the family situation, I have been to the engineering.
So what's your ambition? What do you want to? Where do you see after 5 years, 5 to 10 years?
I will see myself working as a web developer or UI/UX engineer, UI/UX designer
After 10 years, right? Okay. 78%. So, how will you rate yourself in Japanese language?
I will rate myself out of 10 to 6 because I'm not that much known to Japanese, but I know how to read it and I know how to pronounce it.
Can you tell some? So, technical skills. You have mentioned Python, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So, in JavaScript, how will you rate yourself?
I would rate myself out of 10 to 7 because for every project I always use JavaScript in my project because JavaScript is the one I'm familiar with working in my projects.
And the soft skill, you have mentioned some critical thinking, adaptability, leadership, collaboration. So, critical thinking. Can you tell me one scenario where you have applied that critical thinking?
I have recently I have done sustainable hackathon in my department. There I faced some challenges that time. We have not talked about the accommodation to the students, but we discussed that we will provide it. So that caused a problem to us. So there I applied critical thinking by thinking we can accommodate them around the college campus, so we can easily reach them out, so we can easily engage them also.
So, okay, you have mentioned that industrial experience with apps and techno. Is it a paid or unpaid internship?
It is an unpaid internship where I learned from them.
Python using Django.
That is a framework. When I go into that company, they told that nowadays Django is one of the framework that is widely used in the company. So
You learn from that front and back end both you have learned, or only front and where you have worked?
Front end and also back end. In front end I have worked in HTML, CSS, and back end in JavaScript.
Back end you have used in the JavaScript. How will you rate yourself for? Do you know SQL, structured query language?
Yeah, I know the basics in it.
So you have to learn more with the SQL, okay? And related to your projects, coming to your projects, you have did some augmented reality and immersive experience object-based software bundle. Can you explain about the project?
This is a project we use 4 E's e-commerce, entertainment, emergency aid,
and tools you have mentioned Tableau, Blender, Canva, GitHub, Visual Studio, MS Office. So in this, which one you know very well?
I know Canva very well because I always engage myself in the design. Done duplicating the apps and also doing my own portfolio site.
Why do you use Tableau?
Tableau is visualization tool. We will analyze the data from the past data and we give graphical representation of the data.